Hello, welcome back to Chat Crafts. Today we will make this Reaver Carambit from Valorant. Okay, so first thing we need to do is download the PDF pattern here. You can download it here on chatcrafts.com. And then after that, print the PDF file and then select from the printed file. Then after that, the materials we will need is a Sintra board. So what is Sintra board? Sintra board is commonly used for stands like what you see on the store, like a picture of a standing person. It is made out of Sintra board. So if you want to buy a Sintra board, you can buy it online. If you are in the Philippines, you can click the link in the description for Lazada. Glue, and then we need some paints and cutter, and then sandpaper. Okay, let's do this. So the first thing you need to do is select the perfect size of the pattern. So I picked this one because it fits my hands perfectly. And then after that, let's paste it in the Sintra board. So the thickness of this Sintra board is 3mm. We need 6mm, so we will need to paste the two 3mm together to make it 6mm. Okay, then trim out the excess so we can cut it easily. Okay, then after that, we can easily separate some parts of the Sintra board. Be careful when doing this because we are using a cutter. We might cut our hands. You better use a non-slice glove so it can protect your hands while you're reducing this thickness of the Sintra board on the pattern. Okay, so bit by bit we need to separate some Sintra on so we can sculpt the pattern on the Sintra. Okay, okay, and then after that, when you're done with the sculpting, we need to use a ball pen and then trace the lines on the Sintra board. Okay, like this. And then after that, we need to use this top of this pen, the pen cap. Okay, this will be our tools for sculpting the Sintra board. Okay, fun fact with the Sintra board, Sintra boards are so squishy. Okay, but once you press on them, they will never go back to its original form. So it's like a sculpting clay. Okay, so when you press a Sintra board, it will remain there. Okay, so this Sintra board is very good materials for this kind of project. Okay guys, so by tracing the lines on the Sintra board, we need to reduce or engrave some depths to make it more cool. Okay, this will be the guide for our painting next. Okay, and then once you're done with engraving the other side, let's continue to the back side. Okay, by using the pattern we used earlier, flip it, and then you need to add glue again and then paste it on the back. Okay, then trace it again using a ball pen. Then once you traced it, continue doing the engraving using the cup of the pen. Okay, use a smooth cup. Okay, don't use a very edgy pen cup. Okay. So I used a sandpaper to smooth out the circle or the for the ring finger. Okay, and then for some other parts of this carambit that we can cut using a cutter, so we use a sandpaper to reach the very small spot of the carambit. Okay, let's do the painting. Okay, let's paint. So if you don't know what's the color to be used, use the PDF file, because there are colors of the river there. You just need to follow some colors like purple, white, silver, and then some black. Okay, so what I did here, I started using the black, but then I realized I should prime it, so I prime it using the silver acrylic paint. Okay, and then I coated it from front and back side. Then after that, I started applying some colors to match the original colors on the carambit. Okay, so enjoy. This is how I paint. You can do it on your style of painting. This is how I paint this. Okay, so please keep watching until the end, and then see you.